Hello everyone, I am Chandru, studying third year mechanical engineering in SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to speak about BMC. BMC is nothing but business model canvas. I done my BMC about the company Lenskart. Lenskart is a eyeglass manufacturing company. They are manufacturing their own glasses and selling by their own. It has its headquarters in Delhi and it is founded in 2010. Every month they are adding nearly 1 lakh customers every month. Uh, this company Lenskart comes under one of the seven industrial verticals healthcare and one of the five innovation technologies augmented and virtual reality. What is BMC? BMC is a virtual chart with elements or like a checklist. Whenever a person decides to start a company, he needs to ensure that his company is whether his company is matching with the components of the BMC. The components BMC of the components of the BMC has nine components. They are customer segment, value proposition, channels, customer relationship, key resources, key activities, key partners, cost structure, and revenue streams. I explain all these nine components in the with the company Lenskart. First component of the BMC is the customer segment. The customer segment means the customers of the company. The customers of the company Lenskart are fashion models, spectacle peoples, online learners, and workers suffer from eye irritation. And the second components of the BMC are value proposition. Value proposition is the particular value of the company. The values of the Lenskart are they giving offers to the customers and they are also providing two-in-one classes like computer classes with eyeglass, and they are also providing home delivery to the customers, and they give warranty for the customers. They also providing free home eye test to the customers, and people can use 3D try on with the specs using the app and website. And the third component of the BMC is the channels, how they are promoting their company to the customers through social medias, apps and websites, and television ads. And the fourth component of the BMC is the customer relationship. How they are maintaining the customer relationship is through quick chat in WhatsApp and the website or app, and they are also providing call support, and the customers can able to give reviews and ratings through the app and website. And the fifth component of the BMC is the key resources. The key resources is the resources needed to their company. The Lenskart has the key resources like human resources, user interface of the apps and website, and the stocks are the key resources of the Lenskart. And the sixth component is the key activities. What are the activities they are need to do to promote, improve and promote their company? They need to they have sales and marketing to push their products to the customers. They advertise through the online and television, and they need to manage their supply chain management. And the seventh component of the BMC is the key partners. The who partners of the Lenskart are landlords and franchises, app and website developers, marketing and sales partners, and technicians of the specs makers, and banks and other companies like John Jacobs and New Balance are the key partners of the Lenskart company. And the eighth component of the BMC is the cost structure. How they are spending, in what ways they are spending the cost is cost are app and web through app and web development, digital advertisement cost, and employee salary, and finally the raw materials. In these ways they are spending their money. These are comes under the cost structure. And finally the revenue streams, how they are earning money. They are earning money from their buyers, and through tie-ups they like with other companies like John, as I already said, John Jacobs and New Balance. They are getting revenue from the tie-ups, and they also through the offers from the other from the apps like PhonePe. They are getting revenue from the other companies, and servicing the specs, they get revenue from the customers. That's all about my BMC. Thank you.